Hey guys, it's Mealy, and I just got my package from Slimoji, and I bought 7 slimes total. I also purchased this with my own money.
Okay, so what we have here is gold wrapping paper.
And these are the slimes. So we have some extras. We have 3 candies, 2 Zots, 1 apple and 1 strawberry. Her card right here. And then there's borax, of course. Then we have this rubber band. It says "Be Mine" because Valentine's Day. It's really cute. And Airheads watermelon, my favorite. Okay, so this first one is green tea matcha ice cream. I'm going to take it all from the box. So it's wrapped in bubble wrap. These bubble bags, which is very nice. Okay, the next 6 ounce is this, I think it's Mr. Peanut. The next one is, this one is Neapolitan with this tiny spoon. It's so pretty. It's layered with strawberry ice cream, vanilla, and chocolate. And each of them, I think they smell all different, like scents. So when you mix it, it'll be really good. The next one, I believe this is Crunch Time, and this is like inspired by Jimmy Neutron and the candy in the show. This is taro milk tea, I believe. And these ones, they're sealed on the sides with these shrink wraps. This one is her Be My Valentine. I don't know. It's some clear slime, and this is like Valentine's theme. Next, I'm not really sure what this is. Oh wait. This one is the marshmallow one. The first slime is matcha green tea ice cream, and it was $13.50 for a 6 ounce. It's described as a very creamy butter slime that is soft and holdable. It's also scented like black tea and sweet ice cream. It does smell really good and delicious, and I also love the color of it. It just fits the slime perfectly, and it has a nice sizzles. This next slime is called Mr. Peanut, and it was also $13.50 for a 6 ounce. It's said to be a butter slime with crunchy fake snow, and stated to be creamier and stretchier than normal butter slime, which I can say is absolutely true. It's also holdable and smells yummy, just like peanut butter cookies, which is like, that's why I bought it. I was skeptical about buying it, but I have no regrets. This slime is called roasted marshmallow and it's $12. This one is stated to be thick and glossy and it smells like Bath and Body Works marshmallow candle. I don't remember smelling the candle, but I don't exactly love the scent. It has like a sweet scent, but it has like a spicy touch to it. I don't know how to explain it, but it's just different overall. But the texture is just, it's so nice. It makes up for the scent. The next slime is taro milk tea, and this was like a must have or buy because it was $11 and I've been looking at this slime forever. It's a thick and glossy slime and it's also said to be jiggly. At first when I read the jiggly part in the description of the slime, I wasn't going to purchase it, but I saw that it was black tea and sugar scented, which was the factor that made me add this to my cart. The color is pretty and the scent is really good. It's not the stretchiest, but it's quite holdable. Oh my god, this one is called Valentine and it was $12. This is a clear glue based, thick, glossy, and clicky metallic slime. It's so glossy, like, did you not see that? Oh my god. It scented like juicy kiwi strawberry candy and I really enjoy the scent. It was unique and different. After playing with the slime and letting it sit, the bubbles rise to the top, making it bubbly. Oh my god, this one is called Neapolitan and it arrived unmixed. I even left it in my room for a couple of days and it didn't even mix at all. It was $14 and it's a layered butter slime that is spreadable and holdable. I love the scent of this so much and the three colors are scented differently. The pink is strawberry ice cream, the white is creamy vanilla bean ice cream, and the brown is chocolate brownie ice cream. This is quite pricey, but I understand it does take a lot of effort to layer each slime in the container, and this also came with a little wooden spoon which added a really nice touch to the packaging and the aesthetics of the slime. Alright guys, this is the very last slime. It's the 7th slime that I purchased, and it's called Crunch Time, which costs $12. It's thick, glossy, and has foam beads that have a wonderful crunch when it rises to the top. Oh my god, did you hear it? It's like, oh, it's so good. But the scent was not my favorite. It reminds me of those like grape flavored kid syrup medicine, and I always hated the smell of it. So I wouldn't recommend buying the slime if you know what I'm talking about. So as you can see, I bought 7. 3 of them are 6 ounces, and 4 of them are 6 ounces.